Yo, good morning, everybody. What's up? So we're here at the dental office. My daughter woke up today slightly swollen in her jaw. She was complaining of toothache yesterday, and today is a little bit swollen. So we took her into the dentist, so that way she can get checked out, make sure everything's straight. If she needs any medicine, they can poke her up with some medicine, and she can get back to school because so far they've been having perfect attendance, and their school uses uniforms. So I guess this year with her school, when they um, have perfect attendance, they get a ticket which allows them to wear regular clothes on Friday instead of their school uniforms. So that's pretty dope. Anyways, so title of the video says I went back to Google Fi, but let me kind of explain. I reopened a Google Fi line, and so I have Google Fi service, but I'm still using Visible. Visible is my main service. I am not letting Visible go. Um, I am going to do testing between Google Fi and Visible, just to kind of give you guys an idea of between the two. And shout out to At&t. If you guys didn't catch his video, yes, last night where he compared Total Wireless to Visible, definitely go check that video out. It's worth your attention, really it is, and it's got some very good info on it. Um, but yeah, I reopened a Google Fi line, just in case. Um, one of the things one of the benefits of Google Fi, this is just like weird. With every prepaid MVNO company that I try out, there's always something about them that, is a very good thing. Like with Visible, it's totally unlimited, fully unlimited right now. No data caps right now, for now. But even if they recap the data, if you sign up now while it's uncapped, you are grandfathered to have no caps on your service. So remember that. And it's got unlimited mobile hotspot. That's one thing I love about it. Like there's no threshold point. Now with Google Fi, the one thing that I really like about them is the fact that you can add on data only SIM. So if you have a lot of IoTs, then they can use micro SD, not micro SD, micro SIM or nano SIM. You can basically get a data only SIM for those devices. So it kind of works out because I hate popping out my SIM card and then putting it into another phone when really, you want to test out is basically how the phone performs and functions and everything like that. So with a data only SIM and you have those available, you can stick that on the phone and just quickly use it to see how it performs. With gaming, with doing everyday tasks, using the internet, especially when you're away from Wi-Fi. I don't like judging things on Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi, obviously home Wi-Fi is fast. So you're going to maintain a constant good connection. But when you're using LTE with a device, you kind of get the idea of what a mobile phone experience would be when you're out and about on a company's LTE connection, and being able to see what you'll be able to do with the phone and how well the phone performs with you guys get what I'm saying. So anyways, right now my Nexus 5X is what's connected to Google Fi. I threw in my old Google Fi SIM card and activated it right up, so it's good to go. And shout out to iTechYouOut guy, Mr. Two Phones. I used your Google Fi code, so you should be getting, if you have not maxed out the amount of credit you get from Google Fi for referrals, you should get 20 from me, as I am about to get $20 from your promo code. So I appreciate you putting that up on your video. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I will later on this week have a comparison video between Visible Wireless or Visible Mobile. I just call them Visible because that's really what they're called, Visible. They don't have mobile or wireless at the end of their name. So I'll have a comparison of Visible versus Google Fi, and then we'll see, what works for you guys out there. So anyways, that's it for this quick little video clip. If you guys enjoyed what I had to say, smash that like button. If you just found this video, please subscribe and check out my back catalog of videos. You won't be disappointed. And as always, aloha. And now I'm going to go see what's up with my daughter.